Hey guys, Dr. Stephanie here, and today we're going to go through 3 hip strengthening exercises that can help decrease back pain or get rid of back pain or even prevent back pain. The hips are part of the core, and so the stronger the hips are, the less stress is placed on your spine, on your hip joints, on your pelvis, on your knees, basically everything. So it's really important to strengthen your hips. So these are exercises that you can do if you're a beginner or if you've been strengthening your hips for a long time. These are exercises I frequently incorporate into my routine, so you can easily just incorporate 1, 2, or all 3 of these into your normal daily strength training routine. So we're going to just use this loop resistance band for the first exercise. Place it around your ankles and lie on your side. You can do this on a mat on the floor like me, or you can do it on a bed or a couch or a table, whatever is easiest for you. So we're going to make sure for this first one that our whole body is in line. So we want to make sure our feet are in line with our head. We don't want our feet too far forward or too far back. And one leg on top of the other. So for this one, keep your toes pointed straight this way. You're going to lift that leg so you get some resistance in the band. And then when you hit that resistance there, bring that leg forward slightly and then bring it back as far as you can. And then come back to the middle and come back down. So this is working on hip abduction. This is a little bit tougher than the standard just side lying straight leg raise. It makes you work a little bit harder, and it works those muscles harder because you're working against that resistance, and you have to go slow to do it correctly. So just lift up and then forward and then backwards. And you want to do 2 to 3 sets of 10 of these, just nice and slow. And then once you get through one side, you're going to lie on the other side and repeat on the other side. Okay, exercise number 2. Take this band, bring it up around your knees or right above your knees on your thighs. Lie on your back, again on the floor on a mat or on a couch or a table or a bed. You're going to keep some resistance in your knees, so feet about shoulder width apart. Keep some resistance in this band and lift your hips up into a bridge and then come back down. So lift up so your body's in line and come back down, keeping that resistance in that band the whole time throughout the motion. And again, you want to do 2 to 3 sets of 10. Just up and down, nice and slow. Really working on the glutes here and the core. And then once you have done 2 to 3 sets of 10, we're going to go into the final exercise. So for this one, we're going to go on our hands and knees. Again, you can go on the mat on the floor like this, or you can do it on a bed as well. Keep that band where it is, right around your thighs. And this is going to be a fire hydrant, one of my favorite exercises. So this one, you're just going to bring that knee out to the side as far as you can, and then bring it back down. So bring it out to the side and bring it back down. We're really working those glutes here. This one, you should feel it on both sides because this other leg has to stabilize. So we're working both hips here. Again, 2 to 3 sets of 10, and then go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, 2 to 3 sets of 10. So all 3 of those exercises work on the glutes, work on the hips, and work on building that strength so you can reduce that back pain and get rid of it for good.